In today's video, we are going to show you how to block websites on Mozilla Firefox, which is super useful if you want to avoid distractions, block adult sites, or control what others can access on your computer. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open Firefox and make sure you are connected to the internet, and then hover to the top right corner, where you can see the three horizontal lines, or also known as the menu icon, and go to the settings. All right, so you have two ways to do it. Number one option is go to the privacy, wherein you have an enhanced tracking protection, which is a helpful tool or feature from Firefox, which follow around online to collect information about your browsing habits and interests. Firefox blocks many of these trackers and other malicious scripts. Okay, so you have options here if you wanted to have a balance for protection and performance. Go to the standards. As you can see, you have all of these. Firefox blocks the following. If you want a more stricter protection, go to the strict. And of course, if you wanted to have a more custom for that, you can do so. But the most effective way is just hover down here at the bottom left corner, click the extensions and themes. Let's say, type in website blocker. Okay, so let's see what will happen. And press enter. Now, Firefox will give you so many results for website blocker. All right, so for example, this one right here, okay? If you click on it, just click the add to Firefox, click the blue button, click the add button. Now here, if you want to add a specific websites that you want to block, you can do so. Click the add button. Let's say, type this in, and click the yes button. All right, basically that's how you block websites on Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.